The longer hitters out there use their spines correctly. In other words, the spine is the engine to their swing. In simply explaining how the spine works in the swing from the front view is the takeaway. The spine kind of helps to right load, and then very importantly, the top few vertebrae of the spine move towards the target on the top of the backswing. So moving this way. This is called left lateral bend. And then the first move of the downswing, the left lateral bend switches into right lateral bend. So this is a really powerful move, and it's also an important move to keep the club on plane. So if you are moving your spine incorrectly, there are going to be a couple of things that are going to be happening, and you're definitely going to lose distance. The first one of those would be this is probably the worst spine move, which is a power leak, and when the top of the spine moves backwards at the top of the backswing, so the shoulder plane is flattened out, and this leads to the right shoulder moving over on the downswing. So if we had to draw a line here just before impact, this player here hasn't got much of that right lateral bend going, and the shaft is coming in a little bit too steeply. With the player here this player here holds a lot of lateral bend. So in that same position, slightly before impact, you can see the right lateral bend is huge. Okay, so the back wants to work like this. It's also a relatively safe move for the back. And once again, if you use your back correctly, it does keep the shaft on plane. So conservatively, I would say the difference in driving distances between these two players is at least 40 meters, if not a little bit more. So again, if you find you're losing a little bit of distance, you're not quite sure where it is, just make sure that you're bending your spine correctly on the backswing, which will lead to the correct spine movements on the downswing.